Hello guys, if you want to make this type of free PayPal money in 2020, then watch this video till the end and I'm gonna tell you the entire strategy how you can make free PayPal money. All you need to do is to go to one website which is www dot, and I'll be revealing this website to you in some time. Okay, so now let's watch this video till the end and understand the entire strategy. This is really interesting and which you have not seen before. Okay, so none of the affiliate gurus have made videos about this. Okay, so this is entirely new strategy to make money online in 2020. So watch this video till the end and understand, because I want you to make money online. Don't give any excuses. Okay, if you are an excuse giving person, then I don't want you on my channel. I want some action takers who really want to make money in 2020. So let's get motivated and let's get started, and let me jump into the content. Okay, so the first welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. I create videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So now let's get started and jump into the content, and let me show you. First of all, you need to click on this plus button, okay, and then you need to go to a particularly genius website. Okay, this website can really make you a lot of money. Okay, so now let's go to that website. This website is known as QUICKEN, Quicken. Okay, Quicken. Okay, this website is known as Quick and Gigs. Okay, now all you need to do is just search it on Yahoo or search it on Google. It's a choice. Okay, and now you just have to click on this button, which is this button. This is really interesting, and an underline appears over here, and you just have to click on that underline. Once you click on that, a genius website will be open towards you. Okay, so this is a freelancing platform. Freelancing platform is just like fiverr.com, or you can see like peopleperhour.com. So this is also a freelancing platform where freelancers sell their services. But the best thing about this platform is this is a particularly new platform. Not much people are knowing about this platform, and that's the reason why this platform has really low competition. And when a platform has a really low competition and you are the first person, you are among the first person who are gonna make gigs on this platform, then there is a great chance that you will be coming on the first pages of this platform. And one of the best thing about this platform is that it has this support chatbot. Okay, so if you have any confusion regarding this platform, you can just ask any of the question to this platform. Okay, how to sign up. So when you just ask some question to this platform, it replies you really fast. Okay, so now you can see that this platform will reply to me in some time, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, so thanks for your message. Please wait for a moment while our agents attend you. Okay, so you can see that click login. Okay, so they are just helping you to create an account on this platform. That's really interesting. That's really sweet of this platform. Okay, so now let me show you what's there, the secret why I have shown you this platform and why you are gonna make money with this platform. Okay, so now click on over here and you just have to type a secret keyword, that is TSHIRT, designs. Let us type in t-shirt designs. Okay, where is it? Let's again type it. I don't know why the results don't come. So you can see that this is the platform. Okay, and you can see these people are providing this service regarding t-shirt designs. And how many people are there? Only 6 people are providing this service over here. So now I want you to make a gig on this platform and provide this service. Now I will tell you where you can find t-shirt designs. Okay, absolutely for free. You don't need to make any designs, but I'm also gonna show you a tool with which you can make this type of really simple t-shirt designs. You can see there is just some random text on this design, and this guy is selling this design on this platform for $20. This guy is selling it for $15. This guy is also selling it for $15, and this guy will do it absolutely for free. Okay, just don't worry, but don't do this type of stuff, but you have to charge some money. Okay, so now you can get a lot of t-shirt design customers over here on this website. Okay, so all you need to do is go to this website and just click on this register, and you need to sign up for this website and create a gig just like this. Now let's go and I will show you how you can make this type of designs really very simple and simply and easily. You don't need to have a single skill. Okay, so the best tool to create this type of designs is just click on this plus button and you will find that interesting tool. Okay, just click on Google, and now all you need to do is type in clip art. When you type in clip art over here, okay, now what you have to do is click on this images. Okay, once you have clicked on this images, now there is something interesting which you have to do. You just have to click on this tools button. Okay, once you click on, and you have to go to this usage rights. Okay, now you just have to click on this labeled as reuse. Okay, now once you click, now all these designs you can use and sell all these designs on this platform, because you are allowed to reuse these designs and you can sell all these designs on this tool. Okay, on this platform which is known as Quick and Gigs. And just make a gig on this website, because in upcoming 1 or 2 months this website is gonna receive a lot of traffic, and there's going to be more competition on this website. This is the first chance of you, really a great chance for you to be the first action taker and get all the advantage and earn the maximum money. Okay, so that's really interesting what opportunity you have. So once you click on this, you can find all these thousands and thousands of designs. Now you are free to sell all these designs. Okay, now you can sell these designs on this website which is known as Quick and Gigs as t-shirt designs. Okay, that's really insane, that's really awesome, because you don't need to make any designs, but you can just find all these designs on this website which is known as what can we say, google.com, and you can now use all these designs and give those designs, just sell these designs and make money out of this very simple designs. What can be the best thing about this? Okay, what can be even better than this, that you don't need to have to create any of the designs, but still you can make money just by selling this random simple designs. Okay, so you don't need to edit this stuff, even you don't need to edit this stuff, but still if you really want to want to edit this stuff, then I'm gonna suggest you a platform. Okay, so now let me show you the platform which you can use. So now the platform which you are gonna use is where I created this graphic of PayPal money. Okay, so that platform is Canva. Yeah, this platform is known as canva.com. You can use this platform and make designs just like this. Okay, let me show you how Canva works. So all you need to do is go to this website and sign up for this website. Okay, and then you can create designs on this website. All you need to do is sign up for this website and click on create a designs and just click on custom dimensions. Now for you for t-shirt designs, you can you just have a ready-made template over here. All you need to do is click on TSHIRT t-shirt, and you can see that. Okay, so this is the size of a t-shirt design. So now you can edit any of these templates and make your own t-shirt designs. But if you don't want to use this template and create your designs by yourself, then you can use this Google designs, okay, which are available over here on Google absolutely for free to use by yourself and start making money out of this designs. Okay, so if you want to edit this designs, you can definitely edit this designs on Canva. Okay, I'm not gonna show you how to use Canva and all that stuff, because a lot of tutorials are available on YouTube and are available on the internet. So just go over there, invest 5 minutes to watch a video of Canva tutorial and learn how to design t-shirts with canva.com. Okay, and this is absolutely free platform, so you can just use all this for free. Okay, you can edit this templates, download this to your computer, and then you can sell this on quickandgigs.com and really start making some great money online in 2020, selling this really simple t-shirt designs in 2020 on this website quickandgigs.com. So if you got some value out of this video, just press the like button under this videos, as well as press the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with the new video. And I just want to share you one more bonus in this strategy. Okay, so let me show you that bonus, and that bonus is one more website which I'm gonna show you, where you can find this type of really great images which you can use without any copyright. That is known as cleanpng.com. Okay, so this is also a website where you can find all these clip art images which are copyright free. Okay, so you just have to, and you have to just type in any random thing. For example, I am typing car. Okay, so I can find a lot of car images on this website which I can use as a t-shirt design. So okay, so that's also really something which is very cute and very sweet about this website, because it definitely gives you all the templates which you can use and really start making money out of utilizing this simple templates, and you can make a lot of money in 2020 doing this really very easy simple stuff. Now you can download any of these templates whichever you want from this website, and you can use these templates as your t-shirt design. Okay, so this is also available for you. All you need to do is take action on this strategy, and money will fall into your bank account just like a windfall. This is really something which is really great, and this can really make you a lot of money. But you need to be serious. You need to work on this strategy seriously. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you are gonna get rich overnight with this strategy, but if you gradually work on this strategy for 5 to 6 months, learning how to sell your designs more and more, then you can make $1,000 per day with this strategy. Even people are making more money with this strategies. Okay, so all you need to do is take some action and really start working. Now you can also check out more than all this more. There are 200 plus videos on my YouTube channel which you can check out, where I teach you about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, and all this cool stuff. So you can also definitely check my YouTube channel, and all these videos, they will provide you a ton of value, and that can make you a lot of money in 2020. Okay, and also I am promoting one of the products. So if you really want to start your business through YouTube without showing your face or without doing any of the work, then I suggest you one of the tools which is there in the description. First link in the description, then just click on that, and that tool will definitely help you to grow your YouTube business and start making money online, which I am doing in 2020. So just press the like button as well as the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.